I spent the last 3 years of my high school in northern Iran, and then I got accepted at the university for a material engineering program, and I became a materials engineer. And I was working more in the oil and gas industry, and then my aunt in DC always kept asking me to apply for a green card. But I applied for only one time, and I got accepted. I started to realize that, wow, that the industry that I'm in is not good for the environment, and my love about nature and environment was the other side of my life, right? So I found a job as an outdoor school teacher for a summer camp at the Golestan Persian Language Immersion School in Berkeley. And by the end of that summer, while I was about to finish working at Golestan, their chef kind of quit his job, and they asked me if I can cook for a couple of days. And I started cooking. I started cooking in a very specific food kind of a program. It was like local and seasonal, sugar-free, nut-free, non-processed cooking. So I have to even bake my own bread for the kids. I was feeding 40 kids and 12 adults a day. So I worked there for less than 2 years, and then I started learn more about food, about the impact of the food industry on environment. So while I was learning more about a sustainable concept in food, and how the food chain, the farming, the production, even cooking, our habits, what's going on with the food, and what's the impact of what we are eating now on our environment, I realized that, wow, this is an interesting topic, and I wanted to, what's the difference? I wanted to switch to a sustainable part of engineering, so now I can follow that kind of a goal here in food industry. And it's so important in our ceremonies, in our sad moments and very happy moments. While you are serving a part of your culture, people will eat it and they will starting their connection to your culture. And you don't need a translation for a language or for a part of a concept for them to understand your culture. It's just about flavors and taste. By that, I guess we can start to have this bridge from between here and Iran.